How to create a beauty products store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform where you can create your own online store in order to sell your products to make money eventually. So first thing you're going to do is to type Shopify in your search, then click on the first link you will have in order to move on to create your account. So here you're going to click on login or click on start a free trial to start creating your own store. After that, this will be your dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything about your online store. Here you will have your home. You can go with the setup guide that you have in here, or you can just close it. Then I'm going to show you what you're going to do. Here you will be able to check your orders. You can create products in here. You can create your own products or add them, or if you want to import them from other sites, here you can check the customers and so on. And the important thing we have to go through is online store. So this is where you're going to change everything about your online store and your theme. So here by clicking on this button, you will be able to view your store. So this is how our store is looking for now. So let's go back to start changing the store. So here, scroll down to the themes, and those are the themes we have. Click on visit theme store in order to see the other themes. So here you can browse all themes. As you can see, those are the themes that we have: distinctive, motion, and we have the free themes and the paid ones. For the free we have 12 themes, and the paid we have 161 themes. So here let's filter by free. We want just to see the free themes, and those are the themes we have. So let's see if we can find a one that fits our requirements, which is a beauty product store. So we have this one, which is Sense. We have Refresh, and I'm going to check them later. So those are just the ones that we have related to the beauty products. So let's check Sense first. Click on View Demo Store in order to check the theme. Just from the get-go, we have here some pretty colors. Glowing skin naturally. I think this is a great theme for our beauty product store, but let's check the other theme as well, just to see, to check the options we have. Let's check Refresh, but I guess that theme is more fit with us. So this is the other theme. It's about shampoo, face wash, face moisturizer. Yes, as I said, I'm going to choose the first one, which is Sense, I guess. Yes, it's Sense. So click on this. Click on Try Theme, and then you will proceed to add in Sense to your online store themes. So let's give it a few seconds to load and close the first page you've opened. And here, let's wait for it to load. And by scrolling down, you will see your theme in here. Click on Publish in order to publish the theme. Then we will proceed to adjusting it. So let's publish the theme first. And here click on View Your Store to check your store. So this is how our store looks after installing the new theme. This is how it's looking. So let's close this page and let's proceed to customizing our theme or our store. So here the first things I'm going to explain is the language. In here you can change to the language you like. You have here your home page. You can change to whatever page you like. If you want to change to adjust the products page or the collections, the cart page, the checkout, the classic customer accounts. But first we're going to go with the home page, and here you have the detective inspector turned on. It's what makes you able to click on whatever you want to change and then be able to change it. If you turned it off, you cannot change anything by clicking on it. You would be forced to go to here, then you'll be able to change that. And let's just keep it turned on. It's very useful. It's easy to work that way. And here you have the shapes if you want to see it in the desktop, or if you want to see it in the mobile version, or if you want to see it in the full screen. So you can choose the one that you like. And here if you made some changes and you want to go back on them, you can click on this button. And if you want to go back to the changes that you've made before, you can click on this as well, and you can click on save after making changes to save the changes you've made in order to not losing them. After that, I'm going to explain these ones as well. Here you can control the sections, and here you can go to the theme settings where you can upload your logo. You can control the colors of your store, and here you can color the typography where you're going to change the fonts, the font size, scale, the body, and those things. Then you have the layout, animations, and here also you can control the buttons, the thickness of the buttons, opacity, corner radius, shadow. So for example, let's see, we want to change the corner radius of the buttons. So let's make it more than 10 pixels. Let's make it 20 pixels. And let's see if it's changed. I think those are the corner radius. So here we don't have any buttons in here. This is one. So here you will notice that it's changing. So that's just an example, guys. And by closing this one, here you can change other things as well. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.